Welcome! In front of me I have Xplora X5 Play, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Then, keep swiping left on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, you should see the option called sound setting. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the sound volumes for the system volume and the media volume. And to do it, simply tap on the plus and minus buttons on the specific category. And once you're done adjusting the volumes, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.